Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In this video today, I'm going to be giving you all a sneak peek of a new pattern collection. I don't know what collection it is just yet because I haven't opened the box. The box came yesterday and I said, let me go ahead and film it. That way you all know what's coming up. So go ahead and grab your pencils, your pens, your notebooks, and let's take down some numbers. Let's see. Simplicity, all simplicity here in this box. This is their new collection. I'm so excited. So as of today is Thursday, October 12th, 2023. Just in case you're watching this, a year from now is 2023. The collection is not live on the website right now, okay? I'm giving you a sneak peek. The collection will most likely be on the website available for purchase in about a week and a half. So definitely make sure that you are tuning in to simplicity.com. And if you're not subscribed to their newsletters, go ahead and subscribe. That way you know not only when the new collections are live, but also when they have sales. And they have sales pretty frequently, so you don't want to miss those. So let's go ahead and get started. First up here, ooh, this is a vintage 1960s pattern. This is Simplicity Jiffy. 3 main pattern pieces. The pattern number is Simplicity 9845. This is a vintage pattern, authentic reproduction. This is a missus dress in 2 lengths. You can make this out of cotton blends, cotton sateen, crepe, double knits, and many other fabrics they have listed here. This is available in sizes 8 through 26. Very nice vintage patterns. If this is your style, definitely make sure that you write down this number. It's Simplicity 9845. Really cute vintage pattern. Next up, another vintage pattern. This one here is Simplicity 9846. This is also a missus dress. This one can be made out of brocade, cotton blends, cotton knit, crepe, double knits. This is a really nice dress. I do like all the darts that it has on it. It looks like it has an elbow dart, a bust dart, a shoulder dart, lots of darts. So that's going to give you a really nice fit to your body. So I like that. Again, if this is your style, vintage 1960s, definitely check out Simplicity 9846. Okay, from what I'm saying, it's a lot of beautiful vintage patterns. So definitely make sure that you check out the vintage patterns that are going to be up in the new collection if you love sewing vintage styles. Next up, though, we have one from Madalynne, and I am in love. Madalynne snapped on this one, girl. Okay, Simplicity 9850. Look at this dress. It's the pants. Oh my gosh, that's like a jumpsuit. Maddie, yes. I love. This is a missus and women's dress and jumpsuit with A through J cup sizes. A through J, that's amazing. I love that. I love the size inclusivity on this, especially for the cups. And this is available for this pattern extra small through extra large, but for this one it is 1X through 5X. So very nice size inclusive pattern. Again, this one here is from Madalynne. This number here is Simplicity 9850. They're both 9850. They're just in different pattern envelopes, so make sure that you pick up the correct size. This is great for the holidays too. So if you're looking to step out and really have a head turn, this can be you. This can be you. Pop a little blazer over that jumpsuit. Girl, what? Maddie, yes, I love. Y'all go ahead and write down Simplicity 9850. This is a new pattern from Madalynne Intimates. Love it. Next up here, Simplicity 9851. This is a Mrs. Ann women's top. I love the off-the-shoulder detailing. I do like the sleeve as well. I think this would be really great for the holidays. You can pair it with a nice pencil skirt or with some nice trousers that are really popular right now. So I really do like this pattern. It can be made in crepe back satin, crepe de chine, and silky types. This pattern here goes up from 10 to 18. But this one here goes up from, goes up to 20W to 28W. And then you also have another one that goes up to a 30W through 38W. So you have a lot of size ranges available for this pattern. We love that. So again, just make sure that you're picking up the right envelope for the size that you need in this pattern, Simplicity 9851. Very cute. Okay, Simplicity 9852. This is a missus pants and belt pattern. I see that view A has like the drawstring at the back. I see a lot of pockets on here, some fun stitching lines on view C and D. So if you're looking for a nice pants pattern, definitely check out Simplicity 9852. You can make this in chino, cotton blends, lightweight denim, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. This is very nice. This one right here, Simplicity 9854. This is a Mrs. Lined coat. If you have been wanting a nice lined coat, definitely check this one out here. I love this. This is very nice. For sizing, it's available in sizes 8 through 26. Again, if you're looking for a nice lined coat for the upcoming cool weather season, definitely check out Simplicity 9854. Okay, next pattern up is Simplicity 9855. This is a Mrs. and Women's top and pants pattern. You get the top and the pants. Yes. I think this is very, very cute. It looks like it has some boning. Is that boning? It is boning. Very nice. This can be made in cotton blends, lightweight linens, as well as stretch wovens and twills and wool blends for the pants. The sizing for this pattern is available in size 10 through 38W. This goes up to the extended size range, so definitely make sure that you get the appropriate envelope with the sizing that you need. If you've been looking for a nice classic shirt, this one here is available for plus size. For suggested fabrics, you can make this in a chambray, cotton, shirting, denim, linens. It's available in sizes small through 3XL, so very nice. A very nice classic staple shirt, so definitely check this out. Again, the number is Simplicity 9859. Next up is Simplicity 9860. This one here is a children's, teen, and adults vest pattern. If you wanted to make some matching outfits for the family, this is a nice vest that you can make. Again, it is for children, teens, and adults. We also have a children, teen, and adult knit loungewear pattern. This is Simplicity 9861. So if you want to make some matching holiday family loungewear pajamas, definitely check out this pattern. Again, it is Simplicity 9861. Simplicity 9862 is a really cute children and girls knit dress. Really do like the sleeve detailing that they have on this. Next up is Simplicity 9863, and this one is a children's and girls top and pants pattern. Very cute. Love that. I love how they did view B there with the different contrasting sleeve. Very nice. The next one here is a girls and boys shirt and cargo pants pattern. The number is Simplicity 9864. Can't go wrong with the nice shirt and cargo pants for teens, so definitely check this out. Again, the number is 9864. So that is all for the patterns that I'm going to be sharing from this new Simplicity collection. Again, remember, this is not all of the patterns in the collection that I just shared. I just wanted to share a sneak peek. I don't want to give it all away. I want you to all to still, go to the website and have your moment of ooh and ah, I want that. Let me add that to cart. I don't want to take it all away from you in this video, so definitely make sure that you stay tuned to simplicity.com for when the new collection goes live. If you're not subscribed to the newsletter, go ahead and subscribe, and definitely make sure that you are following them over on Instagram. That is all, friends. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.